Hi there, I'm DİNA. Today, in our sexual health series, we're diving into penis pumps. Penis pumps can be a solution for men experiencing erectile dysfunction. Keep watching to learn how they work and whether they really do the job. Are you ready to get started? Penis pumps are devices that can help address erectile dysfunction in men by facilitating temporary erections. They typically work by increasing blood flow to the penis. These devices consist of a tube and a pump. The tube is placed over the penis and the pump is used to create a vacuum, which encourages blood flow into the penis, aiding in achieving an erection. Penis pumps are commonly used as a non-surgical method to treat erectile dysfunction, serving as an alternative for those who prefer not to use or are unable to use medication. They are used prior to sexual activity. Many men prefer to use a penis pump before engaging in sexual intercourse to achieve a harder and longer-lasting erection. Penis pumps are easy to use and can provide quick results. However, further research is needed to understand their long-term effects. Side effects of penis pumps are rare, but some individuals may experience skin irritation or bruising. Proper usage and hygiene are important to minimize risks. These devices should not be used without the recommendation of a healthcare professional, especially for those with heart conditions. Caution should also be exercised for individuals with blood clotting disorders. Some penis pumps utilize water or air pressure and can be used underwater, offering a more comfortable experience for some users. Penis pumps are often used alone or in conjunction with other treatments. For example, some men may use a penis pump alongside medications like Viagra. Some pumps may include vibrating features, which can enhance sexual stimulation and aid in achieving an erection. Penis pumps do not mimic a natural erection and do not treat sexual dysfunction in the long term. However, they can provide psychological preparation for sexual activity. Some models are advertised for penis enlargement purposes, but scientific evidence supporting these claims is limited. The primary purpose of penis pumps is to assist with erectile issues. Penis pumps should be used according to instructions. This is essential to ensure user safety and device effectiveness. These devices can be purchased from stores specializing in sexual health products or online. However, caution should be exercised when selecting a quality pump and reputable seller. Penis pumps should be of the correct size and pressure. An ill-fitting pump may not be effective or could cause skin irritation. Comfort and durability are important considerations for long-term use. A quality penis pump should be suitable for extended use and provide a comfortable experience for the user. Penis pumps carry a risk of infection if proper hygiene is not maintained. Therefore, thorough cleaning before and after each use is important. Lubrication may be used during pump use to prevent skin irritation. This helps soften the skin and reduce irritation. Penis pumps should be made of materials compatible with the body. This can help prevent allergic reactions or skin irritation. Pressure settings are important for user comfort. The ideal pressure level should be adjusted to avoid skin irritation and ensure a comfortable experience. Penis pumps should not be used as the sole solution for sexual health issues. Consulting with a healthcare professional, especially for long-term erectile problems, is important. Sexual health issues should be addressed through comprehensive treatment plans discussed with a doctor. Penis pumps may be included as part of this treatment plan. Penis pumps can reduce stress related to sexual health and performance. Many men experiencing erectile issues also experience stress and anxiety before sexual activity. Penis pumps can help alleviate this stress and provide greater confidence during intercourse. Consultation with a doctor is recommended for determining the ideal frequency and duration of use. The optimal method and duration of use may vary for each individual, and discussing with a doctor can help tailor a treatment plan to specific needs. When used correctly, penis pumps can improve sexual health and quality of life. However, improper use or misuse can pose risks. Therefore, it is important to read and follow usage instructions carefully and consult with a doctor before using a penis pump. Today we discussed important information about penis pumps. I hope that this information has been helpful for you and that you've gained a better understanding of the topic. If you enjoyed the video and would like to see more content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, feel free to leave any questions or requests for future topics in the comments below. Until next time.